fashion trends, subscribe to the free latest updates from our channel, friends. Also the bell icon to receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello friends, so today in our video we are releasing about bridal saree designs which are really contrast with matching jewelry. And like as we all know, the jewelry completes our total look, and for brides they really need to include the beautiful and awesome jewels. So in this video we're releasing about what are the sarees, contrast colors and jewels, what are the types in them, and there are also cool tips included in them. So hope you love this video, friends. So let's go into this awesome video. So talking about the contrast colors, the wedding is the perfect day and it's the important memory of our life, so we have to make it as colorful as possible. So you can try on with contrast colors like yellow plus pink, green plus orange, blue, and for the borders, please try contrast colors, and they're really beautiful, friends. So please try contrast colors. Talking about the workings, you can try on with the different type of ari or magam workings, and they're really perfect for brides, friends. And totally to say that they're heavy workings and they're really beautiful too. So you can try on with until knee or until elbow, and they're really perfect for brides and they're really beautiful too. So talking about the jewel designs, you can try on with heavy gold jewels, and they're really beautiful, and you can have circles and other patterns in them too, and they're really beautiful. So you can also try on with uncut diamond jewelry because they're really good for your elegant look, and these you can have them replaced with stone, and stones can be in the color of your blouse or saree, or it can also be in the contrast color of your blouse and saree. You can also try on with antique jewels because they make you look traditional, and you can also try on with temple jewelry, and these temple jewelry are totally beautiful. We have gods and borders in them to make you look as awesome as possible and as traditional as possible. You can also try on with beautiful earrings and bangles. You can try on fabric bangles or other colorful glass bangles in gold or in other colors. So I hope you love these beautiful designs, friends. And in all of our videos, we just give you like beautiful bride sarees. But in this, as a bonus, we gave you jewel ideas too. And hope you really enjoy this video. And if you like this video and want more interesting videos like these, then subscribe to our channel and like us more. And ton of likes can give you beautiful and awesome videos to watch and enjoy, friends. So try one of these and comment in a positive way, because one of these are good in quality and also in designs. So bye, friends. See you in the next interesting video.